And the time has come for the very last beach adventure in 2023. It is 4:40 p.m. on this New Year's Eve, 31st of December, the last day of the year. And we have almost 7 hours left until the time hits 0000, and we're gonna celebrate the new year 2024. And I am at Glyki Nero beach, and I have had few beach adventures earlier today. I started off at Pantahu beach, that's right next to this one. Then I ran to Kornos beach and the beautiful beach between Ayia, Napa and Proteros, 8 kilometers from here approximately. Then I also visited two nudist beaches along the coast, and now I'm here to end this beautiful day, 31st of December. Beautiful day, 20 degrees Celsius in the air we had during the day. Now it is 19. The sea is still warm, same as earlier, around 20 degrees Celsius. And I just can't believe this year has passed so quickly, and what a year it has been. I have done a new record in number of beach days in Sweden this year. It was 200 beach days, and the previous record was from 2 years ago, 157. So it's gonna be tough to beat that record next year. That's fairly simple to say. But I have also traveled to many beautiful countries throughout the year. Cyprus I have traveled to 2 times, as I'm the second time this year here. I was here for 7 days at the end of August, beginning of September, and right now I'm here for 2 weeks for the Christmas and New Year's holidays. But throughout the year I have also visited Spain 3 times. I have been to Mallorca, in Alcudia for 7 days. I was also for a weekend trip in Valencia, and another weekend trip to Malaga and Torremolinos, including Gibraltar in the same trip. It was insane. I have visited Greece also, in Crete for 1 week. I've been also for 7 days in January to Israel and Palestine. I've been to Liverpool over a weekend, and I had some beach adventures over there as well. I've been to Macedonia 2 times, of which I did also beach adventures in Skopje. Did I miss anything? Yes, I went also to Tildesand, Halmstad and Bostad in Skåne and in Holland for a few days during the summer, and the many beautiful beaches that I visited in Sweden also. Alright, yeah, it has been a fantastic year. So looking forward to 2024, that I'm going to start tomorrow with another beach adventure in Cyprus, as I'm here for 4 more days. So yeah, now let's check out the beautiful sky, as it is sunset time here. The sun has set behind those clouds, and this is how the beach looks like. There are some few people wearing Santa Claus hats that are going to take a swim probably. And now that I think of it, I may also needed a Santa hat for these beach adventures, which I simply forgot. But yeah, 31st of December, the last day of the year and the last swim of this year, if I don't change up my mind and do a midnight swim tonight. But yeah, that's a wrap of 2023. Thanks a lot for watching my beach adventures. Now let's swim and enjoy. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. And this is the first time I'm here on this beach during sunset. The color of the water during the day is amazing. I can also see that now when I look. It still feels like that filtered blue color. It's so beautiful. So yeah, that's a wrap from Glyki Nero beach in the Napa, Cyprus. I can also see the Lovers Beach from here. There were many tourists when I ran by earlier today. But that's a wrap. Bye bye 2023, and we're gonna welcome 2024 tomorrow. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.